So I'm going to recover a partition. We'll try on this disk. As you can see, it's only showing the boot partition. If you go into AOMEI, which we've got to anyway, you'll see it's unallocated. So we'll try and recover it. There's not many softwares that can recover these. You can mount them and recover files from it, but you can't actually rewrite it to the disk. Rewrite to the disk is pretty rare to find a software that can do it. So let's see if we can do it with this. Do a fast search first. It looks like it's found it already. There you go, it's found it. So that will boot now. If I refresh the disk, there you go, it's live. NTFS primary. So easy, unbelievable.